All right, how do you find the greatest common factor of a set of numbers? Well, first you need to know what a factor is. A factor is a number that divides evenly into another number. So that means there's no remainder. Okay, so if I'm thinking of the factors of 3, I have 1. 1 is the factor of every number. And I would multiply 1 times 3 to get 3, and there are no other numbers. So 3 has exactly 2 factors. That's why it's a prime number. If I'm looking at 7, it's the same thing. 1 always goes into it. 1 times 7, no other factors. Again, exactly 2 factors. That makes it a prime number. Okay, 10. I always start with 1. 1 times 10. And then it's even, so 2 times 5. And then I'll check the numbers in between them, 3 and 4. No. So 10 has 4 factors. It has more than 1 in itself, so it's a composite number. 25, 1 times 25. 2 doesn't go in there, 3 doesn't go in there, 4 doesn't go in there, 5. 5 times 5, since it's multiplying by itself, I only have to list that 5 one time, okay? Again, it has more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. Now, to find the greatest common factor, you have to list the factors of each number. So, 1 times 12, 2 goes in there, 2 times 6, 3 goes in there, 3 times 4. I have each pair and nothing in between, so I know I'm done. I do the same thing with 40. 1 times 40. 2 goes in there, 2 times 20. 3 does not, but 4 goes in there. 4 times 10. 5 times 8. I'm going to check the numbers in between. 6 and 7 doesn't go in there. And I have pairs, so I know I'm done. So now I'm going to look for the things they have in common. They have 1s, 2s, and 4s, and that's all in that list. So 4 is my GCF. Okay? 18. 1 times 18. 2 times 9. 3 times 6. Only thing left is 4 and 5, and neither one of them will go in there. 30, I have 1 times 30. 2 times 15. 3 times 10. 4 doesn't go in there. 5 times 6. Did it in pairs, and nothing between here, so I'm done. They have 1s, 2s, and commons, 6s, and 6 is my highest, so GCF is 6. Now, let's talk about what happens when you have 3. You're going to do it the same way. You're still going to list the factors. So 1 times 14, 2 times 7, 3 doesn't go in there, 4 doesn't go in there, 5 doesn't, 6 doesn't. So that's my list. All right, 28, 1 times 28. It's even, so 2. All right. If I don't know how many times 2 goes in there, then I have to actually divide. But I know that 2 goes in 28 14 times. Okay? And then 3 times doesn't go in there. 4 times 7. 5 and 6 do not go in there. Okay? Now, 42. 1 times 42. 2 goes in there. 2 times 21. 3 actually does go in there. 3 into 42. 3 goes into 4 once. 14 times. If I hadn't used that divisibility rule, I wouldn't have seen that, so you need to use those. 4 does not go in there. 5 does not. 6 does. And 6 times 7. Okay? So let's look at what they have in common. 1s, 2s, 7s, but my highest is 14. I could have easily missed out on that if I hadn't have divided by 3 to see what that was. So GCF here is 14.